Yo, what is up, guys? It is motovlog day, kinda. So I'm gonna explain a little bit, okay? So I broke out the second camera again just because I'm gonna be doing a lot of talking, and I like this angle when I'm talking instead of this one. As you saw by the title and thumbnail, I actually went to my first kind of like motorcycle meet. So if you don't know, I'll kind of quickly explain it and I'll talk about what happened, and then I'll show you guys all the footage that I got. So Faye Meyer's Motorcycle World, I've actually been there a couple times. They were holding their like 75th anniversary, and they were just having like a big ass free party. Like, it was so much fun. I mean, shout out to Faye Meyer's. It was some of the most fun I've ever had, like at like a meet like this. Like, it was amazing, dude. Like, free food, free stunt show, BMX riders. The announcers were amazing. I don't know how many times I got interviewed. The announcer ended up calling me out to get a unicorn painted on my face. It was so much fun. You'll see all that footage in a minute, but I had never really been to one, and I got best case scenario, I'm telling you, because that was the most fun I've ever had. So Claire, the girl that I just made the video on her bike last week, invited me, so we went, and I actually invited my friend. You've seen him on the channel a couple times before, Libra. He actually came with us. It was kind of funny. He actually got volunteered. You'll see the footage. He got volunteered to be jumped over with one of the BMX bikes, and one of the stunt riders was like playing, faking him out like he was gonna hit him in the balls. It was actually so funny. I ain't even gonna lie. You'll probably hear me giggling like a little schoolgirl in the clips, man. It was so much fun. But the reason I'm really not doing a moto vlog, and I'm kind of, you know, doing a little bit of a talking head kind of before I show you all the footage, is if you look over here and you look at the screenshots, it's been bad. Okay, I was actually gonna ride my motorcycle to the event with Claire, but it was just downpouring. So shout out for Faye Meyer's for still putting on the show in all that rain, because it was rainy, and these stunt riders were still doing amazing stunts, right? Like, the dude was killing it. There was also a chick, and she was killing it too, but she was like 3 months out of like major knee surgery. So she wasn't even supposed to be doing what she was doing, but she was doing it anyway. So shout out to her. That's a tough son of a bitch right there, man. Fresh off knee surgery, and she's just doing all this stunt riding. Like, that shit's amazing. Yeah, I'm a little upset I didn't make a full video out of it, but like, as I said, I mean, I have to be, this is the only, literally, this whole next week, this is my only shot right now. The rain, I don't have a watch on, but I think the rain starts in like 30 minutes, and it's gonna go all day. I mean, as you can see, it is literally coming. Blew over here, and then here comes a storm, right? So it's like, this is the only chance that I actually had to film a quick part and explain kind of what was going on and why I didn't make a whole moto vlog out of it. Because you bet your ass, I really, really wanted to, man. I wanted to film a moto vlog out of it so bad. Like, it would have just been so nice to be able to do that. So I'm hoping by the time next week rolls around, I'll be able to go out and film an actual like moto vlog of like exploring again. Like, it's been a while since I've done that, man. Like, I kind of miss going out and exploring, and now it's nice in the middle of the day, right? Like, it's sunny, but dude, I swear to God, like, I've never even been to Seattle, but I feel like I live in Seattle with as much rain as we've gotten right now. Like, dude. But I just wanted to get a quick talking head in so I could explain the video. So it's a bunch of random clips, and as always, I always say it in every video, Snapchat saw it first. I put a lot of stuff on my Snapchat, so if you want to add the Snapchat and see all the stuff before everybody else, days and days in advance, add my Snapchat and you will see what I'm up to days before the videos come out. So enjoy these clips. I had the time of my life. Shout out Claire and Josh for going with me, and shout out Faye Meyer's Motorcycle World for putting on such an amazing event. It was so much fun. I had the time of my life. So after all the clips roll, I'm just gonna roll the outro. Sorry it's not long, you know, can't do much, can't film much in the rain, right, with all this expensive camera shit on my face. So enjoy the video, and I will see you in the next one. Later.
together. These
Yeah.
That's so crazy.
I know.
He's going the wrong way.
He just switched to
He's
his hands.
He's going the wrong way.
Hey! You killed it, bro. Thank you. Hey, thank you, dog. Thank you. What we got?
Did you try the strawberry lemonade smoothie?
I didn't get to make it, but I did see it.
Was it good?
Yeah, I got to try it.
I'm not gonna lie.
Here you go.
Most fun way to make a smoothie right there.
I want to do it. I need to go try
Well,
it.
we gonna do some Denver nuggets distributed.
Oh, God.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
come on now.
Here we go.
Who was the player that left that would die to come back right now and be a championship team?
Carmelo Anthony?
Right!
Yes, sir.
But check this out.
Here we go.
Is he coming back?
He might. We could retire him, but I think Jokic might be better now.
He already left Colorado. I guess what they're going to do is they're going to get some more bikes and you're going to lay down and they're going to jump over you.
Oh, all right.
Nice. They got to get it down. They don't want to mess up the jean shirt.
Have some fun. First.
All right. Hey, DJ.
Yeah.
Hey, man, we need some music for them to bunny hop over here.
Oh, you gotta go that way.
Not that way.
No, anyway.
Let's spin this way first.
No, no. Your feet towards me. There you go.
Y'all think that they can jump or not?
Easy. Easy.
Make some noise if you think you can do it.
Easy. There we go. Oh, I thought he was going. Okay. Whoa, that's sick. That's sick, dude. Yeah. Yeah. That should be me. He ain't doing it. Not the Johnson. Yeah, sir. Come on, girl. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh! Woo!
That was awesome. Front tire side.
Get it. Yeah! Yeah! Yes, sir! Oh, look at that!
Don't be afraid to reach out. He'll give you a high five.
Don't say that. Oh! Good catch. Wheelie out of it. There it is.
Showing you how to use that rear handbrake. Keep us complete control of that rear wheel. check out his rear road. It's got blue
Safe.
cowboys.
He going backwards.
What is Jason doing? Jason, you're supposed to ride that thing facing forward, not back.
What's going on?
Backwards, those controls are completely opposite.
Oh! Nooners, baby, that was sick. I didn't even see the chick in the ambulance is asleep. She's passed out in the passenger seat. See the chick in the ambulance? Dude, she is out. She's fucking out. In my ear. Yes, yes.
Pikachu. He got Pikachu. Oh, you know what I like most about Pikachu, guy? He was the only one brave enough to come out here and let me jump him earlier on his bicycle. Like he came up, like he was like, "I want to be a volunteer. I'll get jumped." You know. So we got a unicorn, we got a Pikachu, and then we got a young lady right there that got nothing. You got nothing on your face. You didn't get no face paint. Oh man, she was sitting there going, "Ain't nobody talking about me." Yeah, right. You got a pretty enough face as in, we'll give you a pass. Just this once though.
Come on!
To the moon!
Here we go.
To the moon!
Yeah!
What do you got for us, buddy?
Occupy Mars!
Do a flip!
Send it!
Flip!
Send it!
Flip! Flip!
Send it!
Y'all want to see a flip or what?
Flip!
They want to see a flip, man. Here we go.
There it is!
One, two, three.
A whole bunch of kids and Dylan.
As you guys can see, we have way less grip than what we're used to. Jason's riding on a brand new tire.
Yeah, you could have. You really could have.
Off the bat. Bringing one leg over in 50-50 position. Get him up! Get him up!
Right in front of me. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Green.
Yeah! There it is! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
50-50 circle wheelies, ladies and gentlemen. He has complete control of that wheel. What on earth is Jason doing? Like I said, he just makes up tricks as he's out here.
Oh!
Up that freestyle ramp, coming down backwards.
sick. You went off the rim.
Yes, sir!
Ooh. There it is. Yeah.
Get him up! Get him up!
Your time to get there. Just watch your bandit run.